Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix notes not showing on Messenger in 2024. If you're not seeing notes in Messenger, the first thing you'll want to do is check for any updates. Open the Play Store, search for Messenger, and if there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Updates often fix bugs and improve app performance, so this might solve the issue. If updating doesn't help, the next step is to clear the app cache. To do this, go to your phone settings, find Apps, then locate Messenger in the list. Tap on it and select Storage. Here, you'll see the option to clear the cache. Clear it, then restart Messenger to see if the notes appear. If the problem is still not fixed, you can report it directly to Messenger. Open the Messenger app, go to Settings, and tap on Report a Problem. Describe the issue you're having with notes not showing, and once you've explained it, tap Submit to send your report. And that's all. Try these steps to resolve the problem. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.